evaluate limit of natural log of 5x all over square root of 5x as x approaches to infinity. So let's plug in x equals infinity. So we get natural log of 5 times infinity. 5 times very big is very big, that means infinity, and natural log of very big is very big, that's infinity. And the square root of very big, 5 times very big is very big, so square root of infinity is also infinity. So we have this situation, infinity over infinity, which is good news, because for this limit, to evaluate this limit, we can apply L'Hopital's rule. So I'm indicating, writing this, that I'm applying L'Hopital's rule, where we do where we find the derivative of top on the top and derivative of bottom on the bottom. Okay, so natural log of something, not only x, is 5x. When we have natural log of function of x, that is 1 over u times u prime. So let's use that. So 1 over 5x times derivative of 5x, which is 5. That's the top. On the bottom we got square root of 5x, so that is like this, which is in fact 5x raised to 1/2. In fact, we can pull 5 outside, but that brings 1/2 outside as well. That's the square root of 5. But it's like u raised to 1/2. When we have power rule combined with chain rule, that is from the power rule 1/2 u 1/2 minus 1, negative 1/2 times derivative of this inside function from the chain rule, which is u prime. So when we find its derivative, now it's like u raised to n, it's like this, so that is 1/2 5x raised to 1/2 minus 1, negative 1/2 times derivative of inside, which is 5. Okay, so derivative of square root of 5x is here, 1/2 5x raised to negative 1/2 times 5. Okay, now we can simplify before we can plug in x equals infinity. So let me erase this just to make room here. Now it's a times 5, so we can cancel 5 from top and bottom. Let's not cancel anything else. So this is limit as x approaches infinity of, so it's a fraction divided by another fraction. So we keep the top fraction 1 over 5x, this division into multiplication, keep, change, flip. So 1 over 2 becomes 2 over 1, and this 5x negative 1/2, that on the with 1. Okay, this one with 1, so it's here 5x raised to negative 1/2, that's with 1. 1/2 times this means this is on the top of the bottom with 1, so here, and this 1 doesn't count on the bottom. So in this negative exponent means we can put on the top, so we need to simplify, okay, before we can take the limit. So 1 over 5x, this is 2, we got 5x raised to negative 1/2. If we move up, this negative will be just positive, so then 1 doesn't count, so 2 is already on the top, so this is 5x raised to 1/2. Okay, that's on the top. Okay, 5x alone means 5x raised to 1. I mean, there is just one copy of 5x. 5x, one copy. Here we got 5x 1/2 copies. So we need to combine. Like when we have x raised to a on the top, x raised to b, then we can just move b up. That leaves same base x, a minus b. Or if b is bigger than a, then we can do this as well. So 1 over x, b is already on the bottom, move a, that's minus a. Okay, we could have combined here as well. Instead of moving up, we could have combined. This is 5x, 1 copy, negative 1/2 copies. So we could have done that, but negative, I move up, now I have to bring on the bottom. Just to simplify this. Okay, this is in fact limit x going to infinity of this 2 times 1, 2 on the top. This is 1/2, 1 copy. So how many left? When we, it's like when you have square root of, let's say, a, that's the square root of a, and a raised to 1/2, a, 1/2 cancel, and 1/2 remains on the bottom. We have exactly the same situation, by the way. Or we can just do in this way, 5x raised to 1 and 1/2, so 5x raised to 1, when we bring this to the bottom, minus 1/2, so 1 minus 1/2 is just 1/2, which is square root of 5x. Now we are ready to, okay, take the limit. I'm just trying to clean this up. So okay, because there is number on the top, we are not getting infinity over infinity anymore. So 5 times infinity means 5 times very big is very big, and 1/2 means square root of very big is still very big, and 2 divided by very, very big means 0. Okay, a number, any number, it could be 1 million, 1 billion. A number divided by very, very, very big means that's 0. Final.